How to change Messenger ringtone. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the top left of the screen. And once you're here, scroll down to the preferences section. And from there, click on notifications and sounds. And in the first section, you will see it says ringtone. Click on it. And here you will be able to change your Messenger ringtone by selecting any one of these. And also you can click on customize notifications, where you can customize sound and appearance options. But for the sake of this video, we will only be concerned about how to change sounds. So click on sound. You will be directed to your phone system, in which you can find other ringtones that you can use as a messenger notification sound. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your ringtone in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.